Good morning, everyone. My name is Tom Hart, and welcome to Riverhead Ford Lincoln. One of the questions I get asked a lot by customers when they come into the showroom: why should I lease and not buy? I don't own the car when I lease versus when I buy. What I try to do is, with each customer as an individual, I try to see their driving habits, how long they keep their cars, what do they do with the cars, and 9 times out of 10, leasing is the best option. If you're taking out a long-term loan, which most people do now, 6-7 years, you're in partners with the bank anyway. So with a short-term lease, you can get a much more affordable payment, a lot less money down, keep your money in the bank, and then when you turn the car in 3 years, you didn't have to worry about buying tires for the car, putting brakes on the car, and all the maintenance. So the cost of ownership is actually a lot less than buying the car and taking a long-term loan. So come on down, talk to me, talk to one of our professional salespeople, and we'll show you the differences, and we'll put a proposal in front of you to show you your best options. So we'll see you when you get here.